This is an ultimate oil-free veg noodle recipe. I learned this recipe from a street vendor and it turned out to be absolutely delicious. If I don't tell you, you will not even notice that we haven't used a single drop of oil in this recipe. I have used lots of beautifully colored vegetables in this dish. Green bell pepper, red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, green peas, tomato, sweet corn. I haven't boiled the sweet corn. Then onion, carrot and some beans. It took around 15 minutes to get the veggies ready for me, and this can be a perfect one-pot meal which gets ready very quickly. And people who do not eat lot of veggies can actually consume veggies through this recipe. So do try this oil-free noodle recipe. Let's get into the process. Take a wide dish and pour about 4 cups of water. Here we'll be using the same 4 cups of water to boil the vegetables as well as the noodles. After a minute or so, you see the tiny bubbles at the bottom of the pan. Then add about 1 teaspoon of salt. Here I have used pink salt. You can use normal salt as well. Stir till the salt dissolves completely. Then add all the chopped vegetables. Here I have used all the vegetables of around 1/3 cup each. And there are total 9 vegetables in this recipe, including the onion. Mix all the vegetables and let them cook on medium heat for about a minute. Then add about 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. I have used white sugar here. This helps to retain the beautiful color of the vegetables. Now let the vegetables boil on medium heat for about 5 to 6 minutes. I am preparing this recipe using instant wheat noodles. So now add about 2 packets of masala or the taste maker. Mix everything well and let it boil on medium heat for about 2 minutes. To make this a little spicy, I am adding Schezwan sauce here. For this recipe, I have used 2 teaspoons of Schezwan sauce. You can adjust the amount of Schezwan sauce according to your spice level. If you prefer medium spice, then add about only 1 teaspoon of Schezwan sauce, and if you want it to be a little more spicier, then add about 2 teaspoons of Schezwan sauce. Now add 2 noodle cakes. These are wheat noodles. You can add any sort of noodles of your choice here. With the help of the spatula, gently dip the noodle cake in the water and let it boil for about 1 minute. Then gently split the noodle cake. Now let this cook on medium flame for about 5 to 6 minutes. This one-pot noodle recipe can be served either as a breakfast or as dinner. This dish looks so colorful because of all the vegetables we have added in here. If you want the noodles to be a little soupy, you can turn off the stove at this stage and serve the noodles. But I have let it boil for another 2 minutes so that all the water gets evaporated before I serve the noodles. The noodles are cooked well, the excess water has evaporated, and now it's time to serve the noodles. If you like this recipe, do check the other videos on my channel as well, and don't forget to subscribe for more such cooking videos and yummy recipes. Enjoy and subscribe for more.